Welcome to the Online Business AMA podcast, the podcast where I answer your most pressing questions about building and growing a successful online business. I'm your host, Lauren Diana, certified business strategist and coach, here to give you the clarity, support, and strategies you need to thrive. Let's dive into today's question. Welcome to the Online Business AMA podcast. It's Lauren Diana here, and today we're diving into something that can completely transform your business in the new year: business strategy. I know it might not sound like the sexiest topic, but trust me, this is the game changer most businesses overlook. And spoiler alert, that's exactly why they're not hitting their goals. Before we dive in, I want to share a great question I got from Piper this week. She asked, "What's the missing piece that's keeping my business from growing even though I'm working so hard?" Piper, this episode is for you and for anyone else who feels like they're doing all the things but still not seeing the results they want. Let's break it down. So, what is business strategy and why does it matter? A strategy isn't just a list of random goals, it's your step by step roadmap that connects your vision to real world results. Without it, you're like a captain sailing without a map. Busy, sure, but not making any progress toward your destination. Here's why strategy matters so much: it gives you clarity, you know exactly where to focus your energy, it builds consistency, you stop chasing every shiny trend and stick to what works, and it creates confidence. Instead of second guessing every move, you know what steps to take next. But here's the kicker: most businesses skip this step altogether. Why aren't most businesses prioritizing strategy? The truth is, it comes down to three things. First, overwhelm. Entrepreneurs wear so many hats that sitting down to create a strategy feels impossible. Second, lack of knowledge. A lot of people simply don't know how to make a strategy, or they assume it's only for big corporate businesses. And third, the lure of quick fixes. It's tempting to jump into tactics like running ads or posting on Instagram without ensuring those actions align with a bigger plan. But here's the thing: without a strategy, those tactics won't get you anywhere. They're like rowing a boat in circles, busy but going nowhere. How can you make strategy your secret weapon for 2025? Start by getting clear on your vision. Where do you want your business to be by the end of the year? What do you want to achieve in 5 years? Once you have that clarity, break it down into smaller, actionable goals. Next, prioritize, focus on one or two key objectives at a time. You can't do everything at once, and trying to will only burn you out. And finally, review and adjust regularly. Strategy isn't static, it's a living, breathing process. Check in every month or quarter to see what's working and make tweaks as needed. And if you're feeling stuck, don't go it alone. Whether it's through a coach, a mastermind, or a live workshop, getting support can make all the difference. Speaking of workshops, join me for my free live event, Unlock Your Best Year Yet. If you're ready to create a business strategy that sets you up for inevitable success, then you cannot miss this. Join me for my free live event, Unlock Your Best Year Yet, the Inevitable Success Blueprint, happening January 8th and 9th, 2025 at 1 p.m. Eastern each day. We'll dive deep into how to craft a strategy that works, eliminate the guesswork, and set your business up to thrive in 2025. It's 2 days packed with actionable insights, proven frameworks, and the tools you need to make this your best year yet. Grab your spot now. This is your chance to stop spinning your wheels and start moving with intention. Check out the show notes for the link to join us. Piper, to answer your question directly, the missing piece that keeps most businesses stuck is lack of strategy. You're working hard, but without a clear roadmap, it's like trying to build a house without a blueprint. A business without a strategy is like a car without a GPS. You might be moving, but you're not getting any closer to your destination. Let's make 2025 the year you ditch the busy work and build a strategy that leads to real results. And it all starts with clarity, intention, and a plan that works for you. Thanks for tuning in today. I can't wait to see you at the live event on January 8th and 9th. Let's unlock your best year yet together. Talk soon. Thanks for tuning in to today's episode. I hope you found it helpful for your business. If you've got a question you'd like answered, just head on over to onlinebusinessama.com to submit yours, and it might be featured in an upcoming episode. See you next time. Want to learn more about growing your business online? Are you a coach or course creator who's looking to sell out your programs and courses? Learn more by visiting laurendiana.me.